Hi, I'm Josh, and this is JP Designs.
So I had some buddies 3D print me this dust separator. I used it once and it worked pretty well. Let me show you exactly how it works. To start off, here's the bucket before. Just an old 5-gallon bucket that we have here. And this is what's inside my shop vac. It's not clean, but it's clean enough. And then my filter there probably has a little bit of dust, but mostly clean. Now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid on the bucket. Easy peasy. Hold it with my feet and twist it on just like that. The next step is to put the hose from the shop vac into the top of this guy. Now the hole that was printed was a little bit big, so it has to go all the way up to the hose here more than just the tip. But that fits on nice and snug. Now the next thing we need to do is connect this hose all the way from the planer into the front of the dust separator. So let's do that now. So now this is our setup. Planer through the hose, through the separator, and then to our shop vac. The idea is that this will cyclone around, the heavy stuff will drop to the 5-gallon bucket, and then this will stay clean. All right, next we're gonna run all this through that planer and we'll see how we do. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see what we got inside. Check this out. All of that is straight from the planer. Now let's see what we got in here. Oh man, there's basically nothing. A little bit of sawdust, very fine. So the fine stuff is getting through, but the heavy stuff is getting separated out. That leaves this filter nice and clean and doesn't get clogged up and jammed on us. So I consider that a win. Well, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously, if you're here, you're not a quitter, and I appreciate that about you. Consider giving me a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.